In the world of culinary tools, the right saucepan can make all the difference between a mediocre meal and a culinary masterpiece. This Koch Systeme CS Quart Nonstick Saucepan with lid. A kitchen companion designed to elevate your cooking experience. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this saucepan not only promises exceptional performance but also prioritizes your health and convenience. With its striking black marble coating and ergonomic design, it's not just another pot. It's a statement piece that combines aesthetics with practicality. Imagine effortlessly sautéing vegetables, simmering sauces, or boiling pasta without the worry of food sticking or burning. The Koch Systeme CS Saucepan makes this dream a reality, thanks to its innovative non-stick technology and efficient heat distribution. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook just starting out, this saucepan is engineered to meet your diverse cooking needs while ensuring safety and ease of use. Let's explore what makes this saucepan a standout choice in today's market. Overview of the Koch Systeme CS Saucepan. The Koch Systeme CS Saucepan boasts a non-stick design with a stunning black marble coating that not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also provides excellent cooking performance. With a capacity of 2.8 quarts, this saucepan is perfect for preparing sauces, soups, and even boiling milk. Key features: triple-layer marble coating. The non-stick surface ensures that food slides right off, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. Plus, it's toxin-free, promoting healthier cooking. Versatile compatibility. This saucepan is compatible with all cooktops, including induction, making it suitable for any kitchen setup. Efficient cleanup. Thanks to its non-stick properties on both the inside and outside, cleanup is quick and easy, perfect for busy home cooks. Even heat distribution. Crafted from aluminum alloy with a conductive base, this pot heats quickly and evenly, preventing hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking results. Ergonomic design. The Bakelite handle remains cool to the touch, providing a comfortable grip while being heat-resistant. Performance insights. Cooking with the Koch Systeme CS Saucepan is an enjoyable experience. The non-stick surface allows for minimal oil use, which is great for health-conscious individuals. Whether you're sautéing vegetables or simmering sauces, the even heat distribution ensures that your food cooks perfectly every time. One of the standout features is its triple-layer marble coating, which not only enhances non-stick performance but also adds durability to the cookware. Users have reported that food doesn't stick even after prolonged use, making it an ideal choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Safety first. Safety is paramount in any kitchen, and the Koch Systeme CS Saucepan excels in this area. The Bakelite handles are designed to stay cool during cooking, reducing the risk of burns. Additionally, being non-toxic means you can cook without worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. User experience. Many users rave about how easy it is to clean the Koch Systeme CS Saucepan. A quick rinse or wipe is often all that's needed after cooking. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who dislike spending time on post-meal cleanup. The glass lid included with the saucepan allows you to monitor your cooking without lifting it off. This feature helps maintain moisture and flavor while ensuring that you can keep an eye on your dish's progress. Conclusion. Why you should buy it. In conclusion, the Koch Systeme CS Quart Nonstick Saucepan with lid is more than just a cooking vessel. It's an investment in your culinary journey. Its combination of non-stick convenience, safety features, and stylish design makes it a standout choice among cookware options. Imagine whipping up delicious meals effortlessly. This saucepan empowers you to do just that. With its versatility for various cooking tasks and compatibility with all cooktops, including induction, it meets the demands of modern kitchens while enhancing your cooking experience. If you're in search of a reliable saucepan that meets multiple cooking needs, from boiling pasta to simmering sauces, this pot delivers exceptional performance and value. Don't miss out on upgrading your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.